Good morning, respected teachers, dear friends, and everyone here. Today we come together to celebrate India's Republic Day, a day that fills our heart with joy and pride. On a day that fills our heart with pride, on January 26th, 1950, our country got its constitution and become a republic. This means we, the people, choose our leaders and make decisions for our nation. Our freedom didn't come easily. Brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Rani Lakshmibai, who fought with great courage and made many sacrifices, good things, and inspired to be brave and do good things for our country. On this day, we also sing our national anthem called Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. And it reminds us the beauty of India and where we come from, no matter where we come from. Let's promise to be good citizens and work for our country to make India proud. Thank you.